afternoon friends, welcome to Mahalakshmi Academy. Before I begin my tutorial, I request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel Mahalakshmi Academy. In this video, we are going to see how we could add a rebar to the rectangular beam in Revit structure. Click on New, click on Structural Template, click on OK. Click on Structure. Before that, go in Elevation. Now the difference between two columns is 4000 mm. Let's change it to 3000 mm, that is the 3 meter. Okay, click on Structure, click on Floor Plan Level 1. Now click on Structure, click on Column, click on Load Family, click on Libraries, India, Structural Columns, Concrete, Rectangular Column, Open. Now the column has been updated from 2015 to 2018. Click on Floor Plan Level 1, click on Default 3D View, Column, Base Level Level 1, Top Level Level 2, Base Offset 0, Floor Plan Level 1. This is that column. Now suppose we want to rotate it by 90 degree. So click on Rotate. Let's type the angle to 90 degree. Okay, the column is being rotated by 90 degree. Now let's provide a column at a distance of 3 meters from here. Click on Copy. Select the center point. Type the distance as 3000 mm. These are two columns. Go in Floor Plans Level 2. Now we need to provide beam. So click on Structure. Click on Beam. Load Family. Libraries, India. Structural Framing. Concrete, rectangular beam. Okay, let's place it center to center. Okay, this is the rectangular beam. Go in Default 3D View. Let's click on that beam. Let's change its size to 300 into 600. Okay, just we need to reinforce a bar in this beam. Now go in Floor Plan Level 2. Let's provide a section over here for reinforcing a beam. Okay, now in section, in project browser below section we could find section. We can either click over here or either click on this blue part. If we click on blue part, we will also go in section 2. Suppose we want to focus on beam and we don't want column now for temporary, so click on that column, right click, Hidden View, Elements. Now and again suppose we want that column back, click on Reveal Hidden Elements, click on column, on Hidden View, Elements. Okay, close Reveal Hidden Elements. Okay, select this section, change the scale to 1:20. Okay, now we will select this column. Now we need to reinforce a bar in it. Click on Structure, click on Rebar, click on OK. Yes, Libraries, India, Structural Rebar Shapes, M00 and MT1. Okay, M00 is for horizontal bar and MT1 is stirrups with hook. MT2 is stirrup without hook and MT3 is for the circular column, circular tie, which is. In some cases we might not see the rebar shapes. So click on these three dots, we could see rebar shape over there. In my case the library was of 2015, so I imported the library from 2015 to 2018. In your case there might be seen that the library is of 2018 itself, so you need not import this bar, you can directly select on it. Click on Rebar Shape MT1, place on the curved work plane and parallel to work plane. Just place a tie over here. Okay, the tie has been placed. Now before now we will say click on Structure, click on Rebar. Now we will place this horizontal bar. Placement will be parallel to cover. We have placed one bar over here. Select that bar. In Modify Structure Rebar, change it to fixed number and let the number be 4. Okay, now we will just adjust this bar. Let's move it. Okay. Okay, these bars have been placed. Let's change the bar diameter to 16 mm. Okay, again go in View Visibility Edit, V1 Stub, V1 Solid. Due to this the bars will be converted into solid. Okay, Now we need to copy this bar to another side. So select this bar, choose mirror draw axis, select the center point of this beam. Okay, the bars have been copied to another side. Okay, these are those 8 bars. Now we'll select the stirrups, go in default 3D view, click on wireframe. Now we could see only one stirrup over there. So select this stirrup and modify structure rebar, change to layout to maximum spacing and spacing be 150 mm. Okay. In the stirrups, click on view visibility AD, view on stub, view as solid. Click on OK. Now change the detail level from coarse to fine. Now we could see the solid stirrups and solid bars. Okay, these bars have not been converted into solid. Click on it, view visibility edit, view as solid. Okay. Now all the bars have been converted into solid. Just we need to now provide color to the reinforcing bar. Click on view, click on visibility. There is a shortcut key for visibility graphics, VG. Remember one thing, shortcut key for visibility graphics is VG. So go in structural rebar, override, weight let's keep it to 2, color let's choose 12. Now we will type this value. Okay, this is that color. Pattern let's change it to solid. Click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. Now these are the color, blue color which is being attached. Now suppose we want different color for stirrups. So we'll select that stirrups. Let's before that we will check whether the diameter. Okay, this is for horizontal bar 16. For this horizontal bar 16. Now we will check for stirrups the diameter. Let's change the diameter to 10 mm. Okay. Now select these stirrups. Right click, override graphics in view by elements. In projection line, let's keep the weight to 2. Color let's change it to red. So we will just take this value 77, 164. You can put the color of your choice from this in the similar way we do in photography paints. You can select the color anywhere from you can change it to lighter or either take it down and convert it to darker. So click on OK. I have choose this one. Click on solid. Click on apply. Click on OK. Okay. These are the stirrups. We will once check it in section. Okay, no issue. This is in this way we have reinforced a bar in it. We will see it in hidden line, shaded, consistent color, and also realistic. Okay, now suppose we want to change surface transparency. We will select these 2 columns. Right click, override graphics in view by category. Here is one option, surface transparency. Suppose if we choose surface transparency as 50, click on OK. Now we could see the concrete part as well as the bar inside it by a transparent means. In this way we can increase the surface transparency or decrease the transparency. If we place Ctrl plus Z undo, it was earlier like this and redo. Now the surface transparency has been increased by nearly 50%. Okay, this was the new concept surface transparency which I want to show along with this rebar in rectangular beam. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I request you to please share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel Mahalakshmi Academy. Thank you everyone.